Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video I have this lint remover. It removes the small lints from the cloths. It is not working. Let's check it. For initial checkup, first of all we have to test the power cable. Set multimeter to continuity. Install in one lead. It's okay. Install in the second lead. The cable, power cable, that is good. Now we can apply power. When apply power, it is turning on, it is charging, it is indicating, but when we remove power it does not turn on. Let's open it. Flip type screw. We remove the screw. Now open this trimmer head, remove blades. Now we have screws here, 1 and 2. We can also remove this cover. Very carefully. Now open it. Wow, it is the total circuit. It is 1.2 volts, 600 milliampere. First of all, we will check the battery. What is the battery condition? Set multimeter to DC voltage. It is 1.3 volts. So that means the battery is good. Wow. If we see, this PCB mounting is broken from its fitting. So this knob was not operating this switch. So that means the problem in this fitting. The board is good. So its fitting is broken from here. So that it moved away from the knob. Yes, it is broken from here, from this point. This plastic. So now we have to see it, what we can do. In the first attempt we have to install this knob, and then we will set it. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, please hit the like button. Yes. Now, because we cannot install the screw here, the mounting is broken. As a quick remedy, I will use the silicone and we will melt it and we will put on the four corners of the PCB so that the board will not move, because it have just only one screw mounting and that is broken. Okay, this corner is now secured. We will put some extra amount here so that the PCB should not move, the board should not move from the housing. Most of the time these items have very minor faults. You can check it instead of throw it away. You can check it, you can restore it very easily without spending too much money in the repair cost. But if you don't have a good practical experience in power electronics and electrical circuits, never try to repair, because it have a live voltage. When we apply voltage here, let's close it, let's pack it. So if this video is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Just we have to install the rear side screw. Here. That's good now. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.